Hi guys, welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Guide. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can log into your PNC bank account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming upload. PNC Bank is the subsidiary company of the PNC Financial Service Group. It is an American bank holding company and financial service corporation based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Firstly, open up a browser of your choice. Now go to the search bar and type in pncbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Shortly you will be taken to the official website of PNC Bank. Now on the top right corner of the screen, click on the sign on button. Now you will be required to type in your user ID. You will also need to type in the password. You can recheck your password by clicking on the eye icon. If you want this device to remember you, you can simply check the remember user ID button. If you have forgotten your ID or your password, you can click on this button and follow the instructions to recover your ID and password. If you have not created an account, you can simply create an account by clicking on Enroll Online Banking. Now, if you have filled in all the information, click in the login button. That's how easily you can log into your PNC online banking. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you all for watching.